This is Gakken's new cuckoo clock. 10,000 yen, about $60. Recommended assembly time, 2 hours. It took me 3.5. Part of this is electronic controlled, the rest of it is mechanical. The biggest issue with it is that it's kind of loud. And we'll find that out in a few seconds when it decides to trigger. The bird sound is controllable by a cam. This disc on the side here, little green. There's 5 that come with the kit, and you can make your own if you want. It runs on 2 C-type batteries, 2 C cells. Here we go. May not want that running all day.